Hey, what's up everybody? Coach Aaron here with Super Vegans. We have another recipe for you, and this is a very easy recipe for someone who is always on the go in the morning and they don't have time to cook themselves breakfast. So what we're going to make today, we're going to make overnight oats. So you just put it in a mason jar, put it in the fridge, and then the next morning it's ready to go. No cooking, no warming up, no microwave, nothing. You just take it out the fridge, grab a spoon, and on the go. So today what we're going to use, we are going to use, of course, oatmeal. We are going to use some Ripple almond milk, and I'm gonna non-dairy milk, and I'm going to tell you why I use that. We're going to have some coconut yogurt, peanut butter, bananas, strawberries, a little bit of maple syrup, and chia seeds. All right, guys, check it out. So we have our mason jars. We have all of our ingredients. Now we are going to put this all together. And then once we're done putting it together, we're just going to put it in the fridge and let it sit overnight, and then it will be ready to go the next day. This is something that me and my wife truly enjoy because we're always on the go. All right, so let's get to it. So the first thing we're gonna put inside the mason jars is, and I'm making two here. So we are going to put a half a cup of oatmeal, okay? And make sure when you get the oatmeal, it's not the steel cut. You just want regular rolled oats, all right? Man, these mason jars, tops are tiny. All right, that's one. There's gonna be some spillage, but that's okay. Boom. All right, let's get that in there. Boom. All right. So next, what I want to put in is, I don't really want to put the almond milk in until towards the end, and then I will put the fruit on top. So the next thing that I want to put in is going to be, I got some coconut yogurt here. And what I'm going to do is, this container, I'm going to split it amongst the two, okay? Because these things can get really high in calories. And that's something that you also have to look out for, because one, you're going to be high on the carb side, which is good though, because that's why we're having this in the morning. So we can burn it off, you know? And that all depends on what your calorie intake is for the day. So now that we have our oatmeal in there, we have our yogurt in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some peanut butter in, and I'm only gonna do 1 tablespoon, even though the serving size is 2 tablespoons for this. Like I said, I don't want to have the calories so high, because that's important. So, boom. All right. So we got the peanut butter in there. Now, what I want to do is I want to put, oh, look at that. This is brand new. I want to put the chia seeds in. So I'm doing a half a tablespoon of chia seeds. Boom. Boom. That's done. You see how easy this is? It's like super easy. Okay? Now, I'm going to put a little bit of maple syrup in. All right? Just a little bit. Not a lot. So I'm going to do like maybe 1/4 of a tablespoon. You don't want to put too much. Okay? So now we have the oatmeal in, we have the yogurt in, we have the peanut butter, we have the chia seeds. Now, before we even put the fruit in, we're gonna put, so I told you in the beginning of the video that I wanted to talk to you about this. Ripple is a non-dairy, dairy-free, plant-based milk. And the reason I use this is because it's higher in protein. Instead of me getting regular almond milk that has less than 1 gram of protein, I use this so I can get more protein in this because it's gonna be so high in carbs. So, 1 second. I'm gonna take that peanut butter off my finger. All right, so like I said, it's higher in protein. We got 8 grams per cup, all right? So what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna put about a cup in, and I'm gonna do this over here. Boom. And you see that the milk is sitting on the top, but as it sits in the fridge, then it will start to form together, all right? So there. Boom. All right. Now we got the non-dairy milk. We got everything in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to top it off. I'm going to top each off with some strawberries and bananas, okay? So we'll put some strawberries in here, some strawberries in there, and then some banana on top, some banana on top. I'll put a little bit more in here. So what I did was I cut up 1 banana and I split it amongst the 2. I cut up 2 big strawberries and I split it amongst the 2. All right, so this is super, super easy. Now, all we have to do is top it up. We don't have to shake it. We don't have to do anything special. So we top it up, we put it in the fridge, and it's all ready to go. So what do we have in here? We have the oatmeal. Make sure that it's rolled oats and it's not steel cut, okay? We have the yogurt. We have the peanut butter. We have a little bit of maple syrup. And then we topped it off with some Ripple plant-based dairy-free milk because of the 8 grams of protein. Want a higher protein intake in this meal. And then we topped it off with some strawberries and some bananas. And that's that. It's that easy. If you don't want to have to make a big breakfast in the morning, this is the route to go. Overnight oats. Boom. There it is, guys.
Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you for watching today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you liked what you saw today, if you liked the video, click that like button because that really helps us out. And if you want more content like you saw today, hit that subscribe button because that also helps us out. And don't forget to hit that bell. Leave a comment to let us know what you want to see in the future, okay? Because we're here for you, all right? So thank you again for watching. Peace.